So I believe breastfeeding, like any other skill, needs to be worked upon and honed in order to get better and comfortable at it. So my journey at breastfeeding has been rather adventurous. So initially you stress about the demand and supply. You are new, unaware and confused. It is also in most cases like mine very painful since your body is getting exposed to this for perhaps the first time and your baby is too new to the world to know any better and is trying their best to learn and grow at feeding like you are. So, in the first 2 to 3 weeks post delivery, I have made multiple visits to Ankura and seeked help to ensure I get it right and do not give up on it because you feel like doing so multiple times. And I have to say, the entire team at Ankura, Dr. Jyotsna and Harshita, have been ever so supportive and hands on. It took me a good 1.5 months to say that I'm comfortable now with breastfeeding, and then there was no looking back. I'm privileged to be working from home, and thus I keep moving in and out during the day to feed my baby. He is 10 months old now. I feed him through the night, most nights even today. So, my advice to all the expecting mothers and the new mothers would be to stick with it for as long as it takes, and you will get there. It's a beautiful journey of yours along with your baby, and you should stay the course till you reach the end because it's all worth it.
Hi, I'm Priya Dikshit. I am a mother of 1.5 months old cute little girl. Talking about my breastfeeding journey, the baby's first feed is not, mother's direct latch, so it gets really difficult for But slowly and steadily, she started latching also. We should, as a mother, as a mom, we should try our best for your baby. Earlier, even I used to feel, okay, I'm not exclusively breastfeeding my baby, or she's not latching, and it used to tense me all those things. But with time, I've realized like we should keep on trying, and at the same time, we should also proud of ourselves as mothers that we are doing best for our babies, and we should not judge like that. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Praharsha. I delivered my second baby in 9M Ankara Hospital, Nanakaram, Goda, and I chose Dr. Jyotsna as my gynecologist for both of my deliveries. She guided me regarding the breastfeeding techniques, what all I can do so that I can reduce the time of the breastfeed each in each session, and still my baby's tummy is full. So I insisted for breastfeeding even in the first half hour after the delivery, and they cooperated. So my suggestion would be that you please go ahead for breastfeeding, even if it is painful initially, but it is very rewarding, and that is the best gift you can give to your child. That will give the child lifetime immunity. Please go for breastfeeding. It is the best. Nothing else can replace that. So today I want to talk about breastfeeding and its importance. So when I first was carrying my first child, um, I googled many a times about it, and I felt there were many health benefits to it. Like you avoid some sort of cancers, you can be less prone to diabetic, um, and it's very helpful and nourishes for your baby's brain, and as such really ask you guys to at least try out breastfeeding. So there are other health benefits which you can see in Instagram, and probably you guys will be getting all the feeds now, how breastfeeding affects your baby's life, how it affects your life and all. So those are actually maybe true, may not be true, but I would say emotionally you will have a good feel about it. Also, I also wanted to say if you are stay-at-home mom or a working mom, or it's all completely your choice to have this breastfeeding, but I would really ask you guys to at least try it out for a few weeks. And if you still want to continue giving your choice of feed, it is completely acceptable. But from my side, I would really appreciate you should try it once, at least for a week. Maybe you will see the difference in the baby.